Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 300 MCQs of Jacobian to Restoration period. Dear friends, I have completed from question number 1 to 201 up to part 8. This is part 9. So dear friends, दीज क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी यूजफुल फॉर कम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम। तो यदि आप भी इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चन सीखना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश तथा इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और शेयर करिए। शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 202। सो विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द इंग्लिश प्लेज इज़ इन द करेक्ट क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर। इनमें से जो क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर दिए गए हैं इंपॉर्टेंट प्लेस के, तो कौन सा सही है? ऑप्शन ए द राइवल लेडीज, देन सैमसन एगोनिस्टिस, देन द प्रोवोक्ड वाइफ, देन द ओल्ड बैचलर। ऑप्शन बी द ओल्ड बैचलर, द प्रोवोक्ड वाइफ, सैमसन एगोनिस्टिस एंड द राइवल लेडीज। ऑप्शन सी सैमसन एगोनिस्टिस, द राइवल लेडीज, द ओल्ड बैचलर एंड द प्रोवोक्ड वाइफ। एंड ऑप्शन डी the provoked wife, the rival ladies, the old bachelor and Samson agnostics. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C. Samson agonists, the rival ladies, the old bachelor, then the provoked wife. So this is the correct chronological order of important place. Question number 203. Which of the following arrangement is in the correct chronological order? The same question, इसी प्रकार के यहाँ पे चार अलग अलग ऑप्शन दिए हुए हैं। ऑप्शन ए द सिटी मैडम, द मिस्ट्रेस, एंटोनियो एंड मेलिडा, and then love's sacrifice. Option B Antonio and Melida, the city madam, then love's sacrifice, then the mistress. Option C love's sacrifice, Antonio and Melida, the mistress, the city madam. And option D the mistress, then love's sacrifice, the city madam, then Antonio and Melida. So which one is the correct answer? Option B Antonio and Melida, then city madam, then love sacrifice, then mistress is the correct answer. Now question number 204. Which of the following arrangement of Milton works in the correct chronological order? यहाँ पे मिल्टन के वर्क्स दिए हुए हैं चार। तो ऑप्शन ए एरियोपैजिटिका, लिसिडास, कोमस, एल एग्लेग्रो। ऑप्शन बी लिसिडास, एरियोपैजिटिका, एल एलिग्रो एंड कॉमस। ऑप्शन सी एल एलिग्रो, कॉमस, लिसिडास, एरोपैजिटिका। एंड ऑप्शन डी कॉमस, एल एलिग्रो, एरिज्यूपेटिका एंड लिसिडास। सो विच वन इज द करेक्ट आंसर? द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी एल एलिग्रो, then कॉमस, then लिसिडास, then एरोपैजिटिका। And question number 205. Which of the following arrangement of Dryden's work is in the chronological order? Option A Aurangzeb, Love Triumphant, The Wild Gallant, then The Rival Ladies. Option B Love Triumphant, Aurangzeb, The Rival Ladies, The Wild Gallant. Option C The Wild Gallant, Love Triumphant, the rival, the ladies, Aurangzeb. Then option D the wild gallant, the rival ladies and Aurangzeb, then love triumphant. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option B. Option B love triumphant, Aurangzeb, the rival ladies and the wild gallant is the correct answer. Now question number 206. I shall endeavor to enliven morality with wit and to temper wit with morality. Who writes this in connection with new morality? Again listen the question. I shall endeavor to enliven morality with wit and to temper wit with morality. Who wrote this in connection with new morality? Option A Dryden, option B Alexander Pope, option C Steele and option D Addison. So which one is the correct answer? Option D Addison is the correct answer. Now question number 207. Which of the following did Milton write when his wife deserted him? Which of the following did Milton write when his wife deserted him? Option A, Areopagitica. Option B, On Divorce. Option C, On Freedom. And option D, History of Britain. So option B, On Divorce is the correct answer. Now question number 208. Which of the following work of Andrew Marvell has vindication of John Milton? Which of the following works of Andrew Marvell has vindication of John Milton? Option A, The Rehearsal Transposed. Option B, Newsletters. Option C, Horatian Ode. And option D, To His Quasi Mistress. So, which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A. Option A, the rehearsal transposed is the correct answer. Dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exam. So listen these questions again and again. Now question number 209. The Restoration playwrights were known for the adaptation of the Elizabethan plays. Name the playwright who gave a happy ending to King Lear. Option A, Thomas Ordway. Option B, Nathaniel Lee. Option C, Nahum Tate. And option D, none of the above. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C. Nahum Tate is the correct answer. Now question number 210. What is the subtitle of Brown's Epidemica 1646? Again listen the question. What is the subtitle of Brown's Epidemica 1646? Option A, Urn Burial. Option B, Errors. Option C, Vulgar Urn. And option D, Vulgar Errors. Vulgar Errors. So option D, Vulgar Errors is the correct answer. Vulgar Error is the subtitle of Brown's Epidemica 1646. Now question number 211. Name the first daily newspaper that began in 1702. Name the first daily newspaper that began in 1702. Option A, The Examiner. Option B, Jockey Intelligencer. Option C, The Daily Courant. And option D, The Chronicle. The Chronicle. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C, The Daily Courant. The Daily Current, the first daily newspaper that began in 1702. Now question number 212. Name the writer who wrote Christian Morals. Name the writer who wrote Christian Morals. Option A, Sir Thomas Browne. Option B, Jeremy Taylor. Option C, Thomas Fuller. And option D, Thomas Hobbes. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, Sir Thomas Browne. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 213. Now question number 213. Which of the following is a book on politics? Which of the following is a book on politics? Option A, The Worthies of England. Option B, Hydriotaphia. Option C, Holy Dying. And option D, Leviathan. So option D, Leviathan, is the book on politics. Now question number 214. Who among the following is most popular for his historical books? Who among the following is most popular for his historical books? Option A, Jeremy Taylor. Option B, Thomas Fuller. Option C, Sir Thomas Browne. And option B, Thomas Hobbes. So option B, Thomas Fuller, is the correct answer. Now question number 215. Dryden in the work of criticism makes a comparison between. Dryden in the work of criticism makes a comparison between option A, French and English drama. Option B, Latin and English drama. Option C, Elizabethan and Restoration drama. Option D, French and Latin drama. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, French and English drama. French and English drama. Dryden in the work of criticism makes a comparison between French and English drama. Now question number 216. Who is the squire of Sir Hudibras in Hudibras? Who is the squire of Sir Hudibras in Hudibras? Option A. Ralpho. Option B. Don Quixote. Option C. Ronaldo. Option D. Sancho Panza. So option A. Ralpho is the squire of Sir Hudibras in Hudibras. Option A. Ralpho is the correct answer. Now question number 217. Who is the literary descendant of the great school on Jeremy Taylor's and Thomas Fuller Again, who is the literary descendant of the great school of Jeremy Taylor and Thomas Fuller? Option A. Samuel Pepys. Option B. John Dryden. Option C. John Tillotson, and option D. John Evelyn. So option C. John Tillotson is the literary descendant of the great school of Jeremy Taylor and Thomas Fuller. Now question number 218. Which of the following is a satire on Ignatius Loyal and Jesuits? Option A. Devotions. Option B. Ignatius. Option C. Sermons, and option D. Ignatius his conclave. So option D. Ignatius his conclave. Option D is the correct answer. नाउ दिस इज द सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. डियर फ्रेंड्स, यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 219. One of the following is not prose work of John Donne. Identify it. One of the following is not the prose work of John Donne. Identify it. Option A. Death's Duel. Option B. Nocturnal upon S. Lucis. Option C. The Pseudo Martyr. And option D. Ignatius his conclave. So which one is the correct answer? Option B. A Nocturnal upon yes Louis is the correct answer. One of the following is not the prose work of John Donne. Identity. The work is A Nocturnal upon yes Lucis. And this is the last question, dear friends. 220. Which of the following work contains Bacon's philosophy? Which of the following work contains Bacon's philosophy? Option A. The History of Henry VII, The Advancement of Learning. Option C. The New Atlantis. And option D. Apophthegms. So option D. Apophthegms is the correct answer. These are some questions, dear friends. Thank you for watching.